The safety of our students and staff is always our highest priority in District 155. And that's why this year, all 4 District 155 buildings have been equipped with BluePoint Alert Systems. The district received a $50,000 school maintenance project grant to enhance our existing safety and security measures. You will see the BluePoint Alert Systems inside and outside of our schools. When these rapid emergency response systems are pulled, it immediately notifies first responders, school leadership, students, and staff of a threat. Inside the building, you will hear a repeating announcement that a hard lockdown is in place. Outside of the building, you will see flashing blue strobe lights, and you should not enter. The system also allows our staff to securely communicate with first responders. We hope the presence of a police emergency response notification system will serve as a deterrent to any potential threats. But we will take immediate action to respond to any active threat as quickly and effectively as possible. Every student deserves to feel safe in our schools.